Hi, my name's David Morrison. I'm one of the founders of hibbittsautopro.com, a free software tool for automotive repair shops. Today I'm going to be going over the feature on how to remove customer records in the event that you add one by mistake or you just don't want to have that customer's information in your database any longer. So let's get started. This is fairly straightforward. To delete a customer record, the first thing you're going to need to do is find that customer's information, find that customer's record. So before this demo, I added a customer called Wally Garvin, and he's not a real customer, so I need to remove him from my database. So I'm going to find that customer by clicking on the customer's page and typing in the customer search box, Wally. That'll show me all the Wally Garvins that I have. And I'm going to click Customer Details. And I see that I can delete this customer right here. So I'm going to click Delete. And that has removed that customer. So it's fairly straightforward, easy to use. Now I'm going to show you an example of when you can't delete a customer. So here's a customer named Bill Payers. Click Customer Details. And I see that I can't click this button, it's grayed out. And the reason for that is because this customer has data associated with their record. They have one or more work orders that are tied to their account. Now in the future, if needed, we can add like an archive feature where the customer is hidden from your customer list. But if you ever need to go back to one of those old work orders, we'll still have that customer's information in the system. And that's to prevent you from unintentionally deleting important information that you could have on file, like a list of all the service records for a particular vehicle, regardless of who owns it, and things like that. I see this feature being mostly used in the event that you fat finger type in the wrong information, or you've added a customer that is invalid for some reason, or they thought they were going to be a customer, but they decide not to do business with you. So you just go ahead and delete that record. I want to thank you for using our software, and I want to invite you to provide feedback. This software is completely dependent upon your feedback for improvements, so don't be shy. If you have any kind of workflow improvement, recommendations, or anything like that, let me know so we can get it on the agenda to be added to the software. You guys are great. It's been a lot of fun working with you, and I hope this is being helpful. Have a good day.